What's up, small business owners? Today we're doing a review, and I get these cards in here a couple times a year, and we got these companies here in Redding, California that pay to be featured in these cards, and I'm not sure how much it costs, but we're going to review a air duct cleaning service today, and they're called Shasta Air Duct Cleaning. So let's jump right in. Okay, Shasta Air Duct Cleaning, it seems like, so we're starting with the brand search. You always start with that when you're launching your business online. And it looks like this GBP here, this Google Business Profile, was originated out here on the East Coast, and then this is a service only type of listing. This is actually goes against Google's terms of service, and they could get flagged for this or have to re-verify, which can be a pain in the butt. Especially now with Google's business verification process. You're not supposed to be more than 2 hours on a service only, and it could actually be a little bit different, but I think it's right around 2 hours. So they do have a website. The website was not featured on this card, unfortunately, but I'm going to click on here and see if this is the company, and should be able to tell when we see the logo. Okay, so this is the company, so that's good. So going back here too, this here is their favicon. They need to get their logo on that favicon. There's a mix match in branding. We don't want to ever have mix matching in branding. If I come down here too, there's no logo images on Shasta Air Duct, so I don't really know if this is their thing. They don't have let's see here, if I click on this, NorCal Duct and Carpet, so that is actually their GBP, so that's good. Looks like they have another, and it looks like, okay, so that's their contact page. You see how this website is separated here? You have the .com, the home page here, and then 4 more listings down they have a / contact page. That's poor architecture, poor structure. Usually when you have a good architectured website, SEO website, you'll see it nested in search and it'll push. What's nice about that is it has the home page listed first, and then it'll have about, services, contact us, reviews, and you'll see that nested version of the website in search. What's nice about that is that pushes the other listings down so that it helps you dominate that first upper half fold of the search engine. So I'm going to click on this website and I'm just going to look at this, and yeah, you know, this is more of I almost said 1990s. This is kind of reminds me of a 2003 style website, so definitely the website could be updated. It looks like Optimize Worldwide is designing it. I'm not sure. It says copyright 2024 too, so maybe this business owner should hit up Optimize Worldwide and say, hey, we need a refresh on this UX, it's outdated. There's only 2 pages here. I'm assuming they didn't, this website didn't cost them a lot. It was probably like a really budget-friendly website design. The UX is poor. There's probably little to no SEO happening here. At least there's a little bit of structured data. They have an optimized title, kind of, Shasta Air Duct and Carpet Cleaning, based in Red. So their brand name has keywords in it. So that's good. But most of the time, like, what you would want to do here is you want to put a keyword first and then the area second if you know you're just going to grow your business in a specific one area. And their description's too long, obviously. They air duct and dryer vent cleaning, so that's good. Actually, they have a decent H1, which is good. I'm gonna throw this in. Yeah, but definitely 2-page website would be considered a thin website. And so if you have competitors that are floating 20 pages or more on their websites, and maybe their optimization is about the same or even just a little bit less, because they have a bigger website, and this doesn't mean that you can just flush your website with a bunch of AI crap content, But if it's quality content and they have a bigger website, you're going to rank better. You're just going to carry a lot more authority. So this is a very thin website. It's risky to have a website like this, but I'm going to throw this into Ahrefs and see what we've got. And unfortunately, again, we have another website with no traffic. You can see here, organic search. You've got a little bit of traffic coming in here, some keywords. I'll click on their keywords. And you have, okay, so they are ranking, you know, page 1, probably not getting a lot of traffic. As you can see, Ahrefs is estimating, you know, less than 50. I would say less than 50 search clicks a month. It's not enough, guys. So duct cleaning, right in California, air duct cleaning. It would be so easy to rank this website first, or at least top 2, top 3 in Redding, California. There's not a lot of competition for this niche. It's a micro niche. This website, with some little bit of time and effort on the UX design, adding some service pages, architecturing the website better, getting a couple of backlinks, quality backlinks, would make this website pop and start growing their traffic, growing their business. Within 100 days, this business could double their sales. And I'm just saying that under the assumption of search traffic here. They might be getting a lot of business through word of mouth, through BNI, things like that. But from what I see from a search perspective, they could double, triple, or quadruple their business volume just in 100 days with some efforts on UX, design, content, on-page SEO, and some backlinks. They would just be knocking it out of the park. So a great opportunity for this company to really just go for it.